Welcome to TechLibar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change slide picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document. You can see in this document a picture is already inserted. If you want to change this picture, you have to just select it, and here at the top you can see picture format tab. Then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can customize your slide picture. Now on the adjust option you can see change picture option. From here you can remove or replace the selected picture while maintaining the size and position of the picture object. Then just click here and then choose any option. You can see this device, from stock images, from online sources, and from icons. You can choose any option as you want. Suppose if I select from stock images, and from here you can choose any picture as you want. Suppose if I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see in my document the slide picture has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change slide picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.